Looking for a reliable and heavy-duty power connection? The Masterplug heavy-duty rewirable plug is perfect for home, office or garden use. Crafted for industrial quality and designed to meet the highest standards, this 13 amp plug measures 57.5 cm by 48 cm by 46.7 cm. It features impact-resistant construction, strain relief, and sleeved pins, all built to BS 136.32 standards. Choose from stylish finishes to match your environment. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable and safe way to power your devices? The XGKEGS UK Plug is your perfect solution. This pack of 2 high-quality 3-pin plugs is designed with durable, flame-retardant material for maximum safety. Easy to install and compatible with multiple regions like the UK, Singapore and India, these plugs are ideal for home and workplace use. They are lightweight, sturdy and built to last. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Knightsbridge CS9AB, a stylish and functional electrical socket designed to enhance any home. This 13 A 2-gang switched socket features a sleek black insert with a square edge antique brass finish, adding a touch of elegance. Its contemporary square edge metal design with matching metal rockers and hidden socket insert make it both beautiful and practical. Equipped with double pole switches and twin earth terminals, it ensures safety, compliance with electrical standards. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a smarter way to power your home? The Gremlin Lab power socket makes accessing hard-to-reach outlets easy, perfect for spots near skirting boards or kitchen splashbacks. It's ideal for wall-mounted televisions and appliances, keeping cables tidy and organized. Its family-safe, pet-friendly design reduces dangling cords, giving you peace of mind. Compact, sleek, and safe, this cosmetically designed adapter blends seamlessly into your decor. You'll find the purchase link in the description in the pinned comment. Introducing the Faithfull Power Plug, a tough and reliable choice for all your electrical needs. Designed with a sturdy nylon base and a protective cover cap, this 3-pin plug is built to withstand harsh conditions. Operating at 230 volts and 13 amps, it ensures safety and durability wherever you use it. Perfect for demanding environments, this black finished power plug combines quality with resilience. Whether for work or personal projects, the Faithfull Power Plug has got you covered. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable way to power your garden and household tools both inside and outside? The Masterplug Weatherproof socket is perfect for the job. With its splash-proof design and durable build, it keeps moisture, water splashes and dust away from your plugs. Ideal for everything from lawnmowers to outdoor lighting, it offers safety and versatility all year round. Whether you're working outdoors or decorating indoors, this socket provides peace of mind and convenience. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Masterplug trailing socket, a versatile and customizable power solution for your home, workshop or tradesman needs. This rewirable socket features a replaceable fuse and is built with heavy-duty industrial-grade plastic for durability. Its compact design makes it easy to store and use safely around your space. With the ability to create your own extension lead by choosing your cable and plug, it offers unmatched flexibility. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.